Hello everyone, this is Mihaela from Axway. Let's dive into what's new in this Flow Manager August release. First, I want to mention some security updates. We updated the Jetty library to remove a vulnerability, and now the approve reject actions on subscriptions are audited. As for new features, we now support AS2 flows with SecureTransport, and reports can be created by exporting table data. First, you can create flows with AS2 protocol. You can now define patterns, templates, and subscriptions using the AS2 protocol with SecureTransport. The supported operations include a partner pushes to SecureTransport using AS2, SecureTransport pushes to a partner using AS2. As you can see in my Flow Manager environment, I already have created a template, which is based on a pattern where a partner pushes a file to SecureTransport via SFTP, and then SecureTransport routes the file using AS2 to another partner. The AS2 parameters are configured at the communication profile level. So now I'm going to show you the SecureTransport communication profile, the AS2 client. As you can see here in the AS2 section, I have to set the trading partner ID for my SecureTransport, which is the AS2 name. And I have to specify the private certificate to use for signing, which is here. Now we go to the signing and encryption section here. You can see that I can opt to configure the algorithms to use for encryption and for signing the AS2 message. And I also have the options to remove these options if I want. In the receipt section, you can see that I can request a synchronous and signed MDN receipt. And now if I go to the partner, I can show you the AS2 server. And here as well, I have to set the trading partner ID for my partner, which is the AS2 name. And I also, since I need to encrypt the AS2 message, I have to specify the partner public certificate that SecureTransport will use for encrypting. Next, if I go to the subscription, you will see here that I selected the partner, which will be the source. My subscription is deployed successfully. And if I go to the SecureTransport UI here in the user account section, I already have this account name part 2, which contains a transfer site for AS2. And if you will check the information here, you will see that it's equal with whatever I set up in Flow Manager. Now you're all set to start transferring your files. Next, you can now export the contents from most lists in the Flow Manager UI. You can now export the data displayed in most user interface lists as XLS, JSON, or CSV files. Additionally, you have several options to customize the data you'd like to export. The exportable lists are patterns, templates, subscriptions, flows, and deployments, as well as product applications, application groups, partner certificates and keys, and organizations and units. All you have to do is to decide which list you wish to export and then click on the Export Table Data link to display the export dialog. I can show you now in the Flow Manager interface. Let's say that I want to export the certificates and keys list. Here in the bottom right corner, I have Export Table Data. I click on it, and as you can see, this pop-up box provides several options to choose from, such as whether you export from the current page only or from all pages in this specific list. As well, you have the options to select which fields interest you, the format you want to export, and if you decide to export as XLS, you have the option to name the worksheet that will be created. Click OK, and that's it. You can start working with your data. Here it is. Thanks for watching. For more information, you can check out the August release notes in our documentation, where we have extra info about our new features, fixes, and known issues and limitations. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next What's New demo.